Okay, so next question is design of DFA over sigma such that the accepting string end with A or BB. So here the main difference is the string is going to be end with A or BB. Now you can observe that the smallest string in this case is AA or BB itself, but before AA or BB there can be any combination. So these type of strings are going to be accepted in this language. So the string must end with AA or BB. So similarly, as done in previous example, we have initial state and first condition the string must end with AA, and the smallest string in this case is AA itself. So we are going to accept this AA, and this is the final state in this case. String must end with AA, and smallest in this case is AA itself. That's why this is going to be accepted. Similarly, the string end with BB, so smallest string in this case is BB itself. So we are going to accept this string BB. So there are two final states. Now we have to complete the diagram. And you can observe here, if at Q1 B comes, so what will happen? The string must end with BB. So end with B Q4, but after this A, like this is the string ABB. So as per the given condition, string must end with BB. So this type of string is going to be accepted. Now see the diagram. If A comes first, then at Q1 B comes, what to do? We can move towards Q3 with input symbol B. Why? Because first A, then B, end with B, so we are going to have the string type ABB. So this is, we can switch from one branch to another branch. So after A, if B comes here, we need another B to get the condition satisfied. That's why we are moving from one branch of the diagram to another branch of the diagram. So after A, B, B going to be accepted. Similarly, after B, if we have string like BAA, so as per the condition, this is also going to be accepted. So that's why first B, and we can change from this branch to this branch, because after getting B then A, we are able to get another A and the final state. So this is a new kind of pattern arises in this type of question. So you can observe first A, so this state has responded to A as well as B. This state has also responded to A as well as B. Now come to these final states. Is it a final DFA? Not. It's not a complete DFA yet, because the Q2 final state and Q4 final state, these have to respond to the input symbol A as well as B. So what happen if B comes here? A, if B comes here, so what happen? A, B comes here. So as per the question, the string must end with BB or must end with AA. So after AA, if B comes, we need another B to complete the pattern to satisfy the condition. That's why we are moving towards this state, and after this we are able to get a B and at the final state. Similarly, if we get B, B, we get A here at Q4. So B, B, A comes here, then we need to move at Q1. After this A, we are able to get Q2. Okay. Now, what happen if at this point, at this state, we get another A? So that's not a problem. We can make self loop here. Similarly, we can make self loop for B. B can be repeated any number of times, not a problem. Like A, B, 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 B. So this is going to be accepted because the end condition is BB. So B can be repeated number of times. Similarly, A can be repeated number of times. So this is the question of type where the string must end with AA or BB. The previous example we did for the start with AA or BB. So this is the same kind of question. So we are including the both patterns here, and remember the switching of the branch and satisfying the condition that end with AA. So this type of only happen when end with AA or BB. So this is over for this example, and any doubt you can comment in the video box.